Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to backup your Google Drive data to external hard drive. So it's pretty simple and easy. First of all, you have to open your Google Drive, and from here you can either do two options. You will go to My Drive and then you will either highlight everything manually, or what you can do is basically to create a new folder, rename it, and in this folder you are going to transfer whatever you would like and then just drag it right there. Now once you have everything here, you are going back and then you are going to left click on it and then click on download, and this will download it as a zip file, which will compress it and make it easier for you to download and back up all your storage into your hard drive. The quick last tip: most of you guys who use Windows will have the hard drive installed to their downloads folder. If not, you can change the default download file location. You can simply go to download, simply copy this folder and move it to your hard drive, and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to backup a Google Drive data to an external drive. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.